Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're finally diving into my much requested No Rest for the Wicked build. This one is insane and absolutely does not melt. You don't want to miss this, let's get into it. So when it comes to my builds in No Rest for the Wicked, everything revolves around one thing: speed. I always follow a simple formula: speed over strength over technique. Why? Because speed is what keeps you alive. The faster you move, the quicker you attack, dodge, and control the fight. Strength comes next to make sure those fast hits actually do damage. And technique helps refine everything: timing, combos, and efficiency. But I always loop back to speed, because if you're not quick, none of that really matters. Fast builds just feel smoother, hit harder over time, and honestly, they're just way more fun to play. Alright, let's talk runes for my speed build. You get 4 per weapon and each one has a job. First rune, that's my engage, something to get in fast and start the fight. Fast, clean, and always in control. Second rune is my escape or pushback. If things get messy, I need space instantly. Third rune, it's all about damage. This is my combo piece where I am stacking hits and really melting enemies. And the last rune, that's my panic button. When I am surrounded, I use it to get out quick and reset. It's super simple: get in, deal damage, control the fight, and get out. So every single one of my builds in No Rest for the Wicked is based around quick facet weapons. If it's fast, aggressive, and keeps the pressure on, it's staying. That's why I hold on to all of them. These weapons let me stay mobile, chain attacks, and control fights without ever slowing down. It fits perfectly with my hold speed first playstyle, and honestly, it just makes everything feel way smoother. For this video, I will be using Summer Sting as my example. It's fast, clean, and fits this build perfectly. Stay tuned for the breakdown. Quick tip for armor: if I'm running play, I'm always bringing the weight down with enchantments or gems. Same thing goes for any heavy armor. I want the protection, but I don't want to feel slow. The only exception, cloth or leather. I'll usually leave those as is since they are already light. It's all about staying fast while still getting solid defense. And gloves? They always have to be rapid, no exceptions. The 3 rings you see on screen, these never come off. No matter the build, I'm always running these. They just fit my playstyle perfectly and keep everything consistent. Now, even though I'm running plate armor and sometimes heavier weapons, my stamina actually lasts a pretty solid amount of time. Because of the way I build around speed, I'm not just draining it non-stop, I'm controlling it. One of my go-to utility runes is Blink. It lets me teleport in and out of fights instantly, which saves stamina and keeps me safe. But to make that work, you're gonna need a good amount of focus. Like you saw earlier, I put a solid chunk of my attribute points into focus so I can keep using abilities without running dry.
You let me see hold you up, pulling to every crack I tried to hide. You spilling, you spill. You are the line across my ceiling. I trace it to the feeling. Carries me out of the dark side. You spilling, you spill.
Everything about this setup follows my core philosophy. Stay fast, stay in control, and never get caught lacking. Each of the 4 rooms has a purpose. Nothing is wasted. I've got mobility to get in and out, pressure to keep enemies on edge, and utility to adapt in any fight. This build is all about flow, constant movement, quick decisions, and striking before your opponent can react. My builds all follow one core philosophy: speed over strength over technique. If I'm faster, I control the fight. Simple as that. That mindset lets me mix and match weapons, runes, and gear however I want, without losing effectiveness. No matter what I use, speed always comes first. Because in the end, it's not about hitting the hardest. It's about hitting first. This build doesn't hit hard, it moves smart. Thank you guys for watching. For those who don't know me, my name is Selena and I am back, yay! Besides No Rest for the Wicked, I'll be posting more upcoming games, blogs, and some live content. So make sure you guys watch and stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao, ciao. Stay wicked, my friends.